In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best steam irons. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 best steam irons. Number 1, Rowenta Steam Force Stainless Steel Sole Plate Steam Iron for Clothes, 400 micro steam holes, 1800 watts, ironing, fabric steamer, garment steamer, digital display, precision tip, DW9440. Engineered for peak performance, a high-performance steam iron and clothes iron that brings together robust steam power with an outstanding sole plate for perfect results every time. Extra steam power. The clothing iron delivers highly efficient garment care with 1800 W of power, a 35 G/min continuous steam output, and an extra powerful 210 G/min boost for thick fabrics and stubborn creases. Best steam distribution. The clothes steamer iron has the best steam distribution on the market with the microsteam sole plate precisely distributing steam through the 400 active holes. Safe garment care. Anti-grip protection prevents water stains on the fabric even when ironing at low temperatures, while this steam iron with automatic shut-off ensures safe use with total peace of mind. Quality and durability. This clothes iron with steamer has exceptional features including a laser-finished, highly scratch-resistant sole plate, and a built-in anti-calc system for long-lasting performance. Number 2, Sunbeam Turbo Steam Iron, 1700 watt, non-stick ceramic sole plate, horizontal or vertical shot of steam, quick heating, 3-way auto-off, white and chrome, 9.3-inch LX 3.7 W. More power. Turbo Steam Iron comes equipped with 1700 watts of power for quicker heating. Powerful shot of steam feature works horizontally or vertically for hanging garments, upholstery, or drapery. Spray mist feature. The spray mist feature helps smooth out even the toughest wrinkles. Non-stick sole plate. Large ceramic coated non-stick sole plate glides smoothly across fabrics. Auto Shut OFF equipped with a 3-way motion smart auto-off feature for added safety and peace of mind. Number 3, Chi Steam Iron for Clothes with 300 plus holes for powerful steam. ING, temperature guide dial, 1700 watts, XL 10-foot cord, 3-way auto shut-off, titanium infused ceramic sole plate, silver 13101-inch made with Chi flat iron technology. This iron is designed using the same titanium infused ceramic sole plate technology that powers Chi's hairstyling tools, including the flagship Chi G2 flat iron. Powerful steam for effortless ironing with over 300 steam holes. This iron for clothes delivers powerful steam that makes steaming out wrinkles smooth and fast. Fabric guide. Choose your fabric type and the Chi iron sets the temperature accordingly, eliminating the guesswork. Precise control. This iron for clothes features a unique, adjustable steam lever that goes from no steam to full power with just a quick slide, while the sleek handle features a textured grip that gives you complete control and comfort. Premium materials with modern style. The titanium infused ceramic sole plate is ultra strong and scratch resistant, while matte chrome accents and a sleek design give this iron a polished look. Number 4, Sundu Steam Iron for Clothes with rapid heating ceramic coated sole plate, 1500 W with precise thermostat dial, self-cleaning, auto-off, 15.21 ounce water tank for home clothes ironing. Use blue ceramic coated sole plate. Sundu 1500 W steam iron for clothes offers superior wrinkle removal from even the most stubborn fabrics. The ceramic coated sole plate ensures fast, even heat distribution and glides effortlessly across various garments, smoothing hard to reach areas. Super scratch resistant, durable, and easy to clean. After use, remember to wipe the sole plate clean once cooled to maintain its smooth surface and avoid sticking to clothes during the next ironing session. Easy thermostat control. Select the ideal steam output and temperature based on fabric type. With a powerful 25 G/min steam output and even heat distribution, this iron is perfect for sewers, quilters, crafters, and everyday home ironing. For optimal performance, control single ironing sessions within 5 to 10 minutes. Safety features. Safety comes first. The iron features a 3-way auto shut-off 8 minutes when vertical, 30 seconds when horizontal/tipped over. The anti-grip function prevents water leakage at low temps or when idle, while the anti-calc system reduces mineral buildup, extending the iron's lifespan. 15.21 oz/450 ml water tank equipped with burst steam, spray mist, adjustable steam, and a self-cleaning function. This iron handles cotton, wool, silk, linen, polyester, and nylon with ease. Tip: empty the tank after use to prevent scale accumulation, which can clog steam holes and reduce efficiency. Every Sundu iron is factory tested for leaks and performance. Minor water stains in the tank are normal post-testing. Compact yet powerful, it's designed for efficiency and durability. Number 5 Steam Iron for Clothes, 1800W with 20.28-ounce water tank, ceramic sole plate, 3-way auto-off, 20s fast heat up, burst of steam, precision tip, self-clean, anti-calc, vertical steamer for all fabrics. 1800W powerful iron. The Steam Iron's 1800W high-power engine can heat up in 20 seconds. And the non-stick ceramic sole plate provide even heat distribution for smooth ironing. The 20.28 ounces per 600 milliliters water tank offers ample capacity for continuous steam without frequent refills, allowing you to tackle big laundry loads with ease. Have peace of mind knowing the clothing iron will automatically power off after 30 seconds when placed on its sole plate or side, and after 8 minutes when propped upright on its heel. This ensures maximum protection against overheating or accidental burns. The clothing iron supports dry ironing, burst steam and water spray functions to meet the ironing needs of different clothes. It also supports horizontal ironing and vertical ironing, whether it is laid flat on the ironing board or hung on the ironing board. It can be easily handled. The self-cleaning function effectively removes scale and extends the service life. The anti-calcification design reduces the impact of scale and keeps steam flowing smoothly. With adjustable steam and temperature settings, this iron adapts to every fabric. We test each of our steam iron by water to ensure the quality and safety of the product. Please do not worry if you find water residue inside.